clearly a phone. He's reading it. He hasn't noticed the lights have changed. I saw typing with the right thumb. He has two phones, one on the dash, one in his hand. That's a PHV Yankee Mike 65 Foxtrot Sierra Sierra. We're going to go on the outside there. Opportunities. Just give him the red card. What does that mean for your life as a private hire driver? Do you know what I'm going to do? You know what this is? Should you be using your phone?
God, man. You scared me, man. Hey, mate.
Yeah, because you were not looking. You were looking at your phone, not around the traffic like you're supposed to.
No, that's right, man.
Friendly enough guy. I appreciate him not getting angry. There's nowhere really for me to go here. You never know when someone's going to turn up next to you in the traffic. You have to be driving to test standard all of the time. It's not exactly a very high level.